Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn English. We are doing fixed preposition, so we have completed till H. We are doing in alphabetical order, so we'll start today the word that started from the alphabet I. So first word is ill with. Ill with means पीड़ित होना, बीमार होना. He is ill with fever. In form of किसी को सूचित करना. I have informed her of your arrival. Ignorant of अपरिचित होना, unfamiliar होना. He is ignorant of the facts. Next, number 4. Injurious हानिकारक. Smoking is injurious to health. Indifferent to लापरवाह. She is indifferent to her health. 6th, introduce to परिचय कराना. She introduced me to her father. Invite to निमंत्रण देना. He invited me to the party. Number 8, intimate with घनिष्ठता होना, फ्रेंडशिप बढ़ाना. She is intimate with me. 9, interest in रुचि लेना, इंटरेस्ट लेना. I have no interest in studies. Number 10, inferior to घटिया. This pen is inferior to that. Insist on जोर देना. He insisted on my going to Delhi. Now see the 12. Jealous of ईर्ष्यालु होना. She is jealous of my achievements. Junior to छोटा. He is junior to means service. When we use junior, senior, we always use to after that these words. Now we start letters of K and L. Kind to दयालु. Always be kind to the animals. Knock at खटखटाना. Who is knocking at the door? Known for प्रसिद्ध famous. She is known for her honesty. Known to परिचित. He is known to me. Known by पहचाना जाना. A man is known by the company he keeps. Listen to, we always add to after listen. Listen to ध्यान से सुनना. Listen to what your teacher says. Laugh at हंसना. Do not laugh at the beggar. Lead to ले जाना. This road leads to the post office. Number 9, lean against सहारा लेना. Do not lean against the wall. Long for इच्छा करना, विश करना. All longed for rain. Look at देखना. Look at the blackboard. Loyal to स्वामी भक्त. Be loyal to your country. Lame of लंगड़ा होना. He is lame of one leg. Now we start MNOP words. Match for मुकाबला. He is no match for me. Meddle with दखल देना. Do not meddle with the affairs of others. Need of ज़रूरत. I am in need of money. Object to ऐतराज होना. She objected to my proposal. Obedient to आज्ञाकारी. I am obedient to my teachers. Part from जुदा होना. She parted from her parents with tears. Pray to प्रार्थना करना. Pray to God and do the right. Part with अलग होना. I cannot part with my book. Next, preside with. Next, preside over. अध्यक्षता करना. He presided over the function. Prevent from मना करना. He prevented me from going to the market. Next, pride in घमंड होना. She takes pride in her beauty. Proud of घमंड करना. She is proud of her wisdom. There is a difference. Pride in and pride of. She takes pride in her beauty. घमंड होना और घमंड करना. She is proud of her wisdom. Popular with प्रिय, lovely, dear. Mr. VP Saxena is popular with the students. Profit by लाभ उठाना. You should profit by your past experience. Play upon बजाना. She played upon the flute. Pity on दया करना. Take pity on me. Now with the words started with Q and R. Quarrel with किसी व्यक्ति से झगड़ा होना. किसी fight with any person. Do not quarrel with anybody. Quarrel about over any issue. किसी बात पे झगड़ा. The two friends quarreled over a pen. Qualified for eligible होना, योग्य होना. He is qualified for the post. Remember to प्रणाम करना. Remember me to your father. Repent of पश्चाताप करना. To regret. She repented of her folly. Reply to give answer. She did not reply to my letter. Recover from convulsions. He has recovered from illness. Refer to हवाले करना. He referred the case to the police. Rejoice at आनंद मनाना. He rejoiced at his success. Rely on भरोसा करना. I cannot rely on you. Related to से संबंधित, से related. She is related to me. Respect for. He has no respect for his elders. Remind of याद दिलाना. May I remind you of it again. Rob of लूट लेना. He was robbed of his money. Refrain from घृणा करना. To hatred. Always refrain from telling a lie. Sick of तंग आना. I am sick of this life. Sure of विश्वास होना. She is sure of her success. Sympathy for. She has no sympathy for the poor. सहानुभूति, kindness. Surprised at हैरान होना. I was surprised at his success. Suspect of शक करना. Doubt. He suspected me of theft. Stare at घूरना. Do not stare at girls. Stare in. Death stared him in the face. Sympathize with. सहानुभूति रखना. He sympathized with me in trouble. Send for बुला भेजना. Send for the doctor. Shocked at दुखी होना. To feel sad. I was shocked at the news of his death. Sorry for अफसोस करना. I am sorry for the delay. Search for सर्च करना, तलाश करना. He is searching for his lost book. Search of की तलाश में. I am in search of a good job. Satisfied with संतुष्ट होना. The principal is satisfied with my work. Superior to से बढ़िया. This watch is superior to that. Shiver with ठंड से कांपना. She was shivering with cold. Talk about बात करना. Let us talk about something else. Tired of ऊब जाना. I am tired of this life. True to always be true to your word. Taste for रुचि. She has no taste for music. Take for समझना. I took a rope for a snake. Team with अधिक होना, excess होना. This house teems with rats. Think over सोचना. Think over this matter once again. Tremble with डर से कांपना. She was trembling with fear. Trust in विश्वास करना. Trust in God and do the right. Trust with सौंपना. Do not trust your servant with money. Now the words with started U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Unfit for अयोग्य. He is unfit for this post. Useful to or for लाभकारी. A morning walk is useful to you for your health. Vote for वोट देना. Always vote for the best candidate. Want in कमी होना. She is wanting in common sense. Worthy of योग्य होना, eligible होना. She is not worthy of this post. Warn of alert करना, चेतावनी देना. I warn him of the danger. Waited upon के दर्शन करना. The youth delegation waited upon the prime minister. Wait for प्रतीक्षा करना. She is waiting for you outside. Weary of तंग आना. I am weary of this short of life. Wonder at चकित रहना. I wondered at her success. Next 11. Yield to झुकना. I can never yield to any temptation. Zeal for के लिए उत्साह. She has a great zeal for removing illiteracy from her village. So we completed fixed preposition in alphabetical order. Thank you for watching. Thank you.